A very good morning, class 2. Here's your English literature class, and we are doing chapter 4, Partho the Park Keeper. Okay, so in the previous classes, we had already done the explanation, difficult words, and word meanings of this chapter. Now, today we are going to do the exercises. Okay, so turn the page and come to page number 26. Okay, so here is the exercise. See given, number these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. Here are some sentences given on page number 26 and 27. We have to sum up the story by numbering these sentences in the correct order. So first of all, read the sentences. Number 1 is, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. They also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. So, when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. Partho was a park keeper. During this time, Partho and his team put the litter in bins. This year, the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. He worked with a team of 5 people, but they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. So here are the 8 sentences given. We have to arrange these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. So the first sentence from the story is, Partho was a park keeper. Our story starts from this sentence, Partho was a park keeper. So we have to write number 1 in front of this sentence. Next is, he worked with a team of 5 people. Next sentence is, he worked with a team of 5 people. So we have to write number 2 in front of this sentence. Next sentence is, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. Third sentence is, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. So we have to write number 3 in front of this sentence. Next one is, this year the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. So this is fourth sentence according to the story. So we have to write 4 in front of this sentence. Next one, during this time Partho and his team put the litter in bins. जब पार्क 2 days के लिए क्लोज हुआ था तब पार्थो और उसकी टीम ने क्या किया था? They put up all the litter in the bins. So this one is the fifth sentence. So we have to write number 5 in front of this. Now the next is number 6. They also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. उन्होंने litter तो उठाया था but they also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. So write number 6 in front of this sentence. Now come to number 7. 7 sentences, but they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. This is the 7th one. So we have to write 7 in front of this sentence. Next is, so when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. This one is the 8th sentence. So write 8 in front of this sentence. Okay class. So let me repeat all the sentences in the correct order for you once again. Number 1 is, Partho was a park keeper. Number 2, he worked with a team of 5 people. Number 3, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. This is number 3. Then number 4, this year the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. This is number 4. Next is, during this time Partho and his team put the litter in bins. This is number 5. The next is, they also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. This one is number 6. Next, number 7 is, but they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. This is number 7. And the last one, so when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. This one is number 8. Okay. So you have to do this exercise in your books. Now come to the next one. That is given on page number 27. Come to page number 27, everyone. Here is the exercise A given. Circle the correct word to complete each sentence. First of all, this is the exercise of grammar and usage related to articles. And what are articles? A, N and the. So first of all, read these sentences. Partho is a park keeper. So here a is an article. Next is Rakhi is an artist. N is also article. Partho works at a park. He keeps the park clean. Okay. So these a, n and the are the articles. So we use a before a consonant sound and n before a vowel sound. हम a का यूज़ करते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड के आगे और n का यूज़ करते हैं वॉवल साउंड के साथ. सो व्हाट आर वॉवल्स? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वॉवल्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. दीज आर ऑल 5 vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. बाकी जितने अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं they are consonant. सो जहाँ कोई वर्ड ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू से स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ हम आ का यूज़ करते हैं. उससे पहले जब हम आर्टिकल का यूज़ करते हैं वहाँ हम आ का यूज़ करते हैं. बट व्हेन द वर्ड्स स्टार्ट विद अ कॉन्सोनेंट, कॉन्सोनेंट्स कौन से होते हैं? जो ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू के अलावा जितने भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं दैट आर कॉन्सोनेंट्स. तो जब हम कॉन्सोनेंट्स के आगे आर्टिकल का यूज़ करते हैं तो हम आ लगाते हैं और जब हम वॉवल्स के आगे आर्टिकल्स का यूज़ करते हैं तो हम एन लगाते हैं. ओके. वॉवल साउंड्स आर द साउंड्स दैट द लेटर्स ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू मेक. वॉवल साउंड कौन से होते हैं? जो वर्ड्स ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू से स्टार्ट होते हैं वो वॉवल साउंड वर्ड्स होते हैं. उसके साथ हम एन का यूज़ करते हैं. बाकी सारे अल्फ़ाबेट्स के साथ वी यूज़ ए. ओके. वी यूज़ द बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ थिंग्स वी ऑलरेडी नो. जिन चीज़ों के बारे में हमें पहले से पता होता है वहाँ हम द का यूज़ करते हैं. सपोज दिस इज द सेंटेंस पार्थो वर्क्स एट अ पार्क. तो जब पहली फर्स्ट टाइम हमने पार्क का बात कही है तो उसके साथ ए यूज़ किया है. क्यों? क्योंकि पी कॉन्सोनेंट है. वहाँ हमने ए का यूज़ किया है. ही कीप्स द पार्क क्लीन. बट व्हेन द सेकेंड टाइम वी टॉक अबाउट द पार्क वी यूज़ द. ओके. वी यूज़ A and N before the names of things we talk about the first time. जब हम फर्स्ट टाइम किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं वहाँ हम A और N का यूज़ करते हैं. बट इन द सेम सेंटेंस व्हेन वी यूज़ दैट थिंग सेकेंड टाइम वी यूज़ द. ओके. सो हियर इज द एक्सरसाइज गिवन. सर्किल द करेक्ट वर्ड टू कंप्लीट ईच सेंटेंस. नंबर 1 इज लीला हैज़ a or an orange. Here's the word orange given. It start with a vowel. ये vowel से start है तो हम यहाँ लगाएंगे लीला हैज़ an orange. n को सर्किल करेंगे. She shares a और the orange with her brother. यहाँ फर्स्ट टाइम हमने ऑरेंज के बारे में बात की तो हमने वहाँ n का यूज़ किया है. बट when we are talking about this orange second time we use the. She shares the orange with her brother. Okay. Next one is number 2. I am reading a or an comic book. I am reading a comic book. C is not a vowel. It is a consonant. So we use a. A or the comic book is called Tenali Ram. Here we are using the word comic book second time. So we circle the. I am reading a comic book. The comic book is called Tenali Ram. Number 3. Mother bakes an or a cake for my birthday. Mother bakes a cake because this is not a vowel sound word. Okay. The or an cake has my name on it. The cake has my name on it. Mother bakes a cake for my birthday. The cake has my name on it. Okay. Now come to the next page. Turn the page everyone and come to page number 28. Number 4. Karan and Raja are in an or the zoo. Are in the zoo. They see an ostrich there. Karan and Raja are in the zoo. They see N. N क्यों यूज़ किया है? बिकॉज here is the vowel sound word. O sound word है यहाँ पे, इसलिए हमने N का यूज़ किया. They see an ostrich there. Next is my friend has a pet cat. The cat loves playing with yarn. My friend has a pet cat. The cat loves playing with yarn. Okay. So these are the two exercises. Exercise C given on page number 26 and exercise A given on page number 27. Okay. Which you have to do in your books neatly. Okay class. Thank you.